చూడలేదు. He has not slept. He has sacrificed so much and he has come and worked for us. He has given fantastic music for this film. Thank you, Ravi. As always, I don't know how you manage it. You must have not slept from last 2 months. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much for doing this. And Raju garu, Dil Raju garu, KGF 2 we met. I think he's such an inspirational person. He's such a passionate producer. ఎప్పుడు చూసినా ఆయన దిల్ రాజు అని పేరు ఎలా వచ్చిందో తెలీదు, చాలా దిల్ ఉంది ఆయనకి. He keeps coming with big dreams, big challenges. And thank you, sir. Thank you for joining hands. This movie is going to be something we will give a great experience to audience. From my side, I promise. And I know you will do a great job. Thank you. మన ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. కేవిఎన్ గారు మంచి వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడు మంచిది జరిగే తీరాలి. దట్ ఈస్ మై బిలీఫ్. ఆయన ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీ డబ్బు సంపడానికి ఈజ్ నాట్ కమ్ టు ఎర్న్ మనీ, ఈజ్ కమ్ హియర్ టు కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ టు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. He has gone with everybody. He's not just gone with big names. What I like about him is he's not just going behind money and just doing big films or trying to work with big stars. He's working with each and every passionate person who wants to do something in his life. Hats off to you, sir. And I think by far, like Dil Raju said, you're the best production house at this point in time. Anybody who wants to dream, anybody who wants to really make a mark, the one way, one door, that is KVN Productions. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving us the strength to make this dream come true. If you think you're bad, I am your dad. All the lovely actresses are here. Uma, thank you so much. I think you come from Delhi. It means a lot. It means a lot. You owned the film. Every single frame, you have killed it. You have nailed it. I think, like you said, this is going to be a memorable journey in your life. And I'm happy that you're part of our project. Thank you so much, Uma. Kiara, I think you all know she has worked in Telugu films also. What an amazing actor, what an amazing co-star.